Hi, I am Lakshmi and this is Career Educators. In the video, exercise 7.5 la question number 2 solve பண்ண போறோம். Question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா evaluate the following limits. If necessary, use L'Hôpital Rule for the function limit x tends to infinity 2x square minus 3 divided by x square minus 5x plus 3. இப்போ இந்த problem எப்படி solve பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Given limit x tends to infinity 2x square minus 3 divided by x square minus 5x plus 3. First stepல கொடுத்திருக்கிற functionல லிமிட்டை டைரக்டா substitute பண்ண போறோம். Substitute பண்ணோம்னா we'll get 2 into x ஓட பிளேஸ்ல infinity substitute பண்ணணும். We'll get 2 into infinity square minus 3 divided by x ஓட பிளேஸ்ல infinity substitute பண்ணோம்னா we'll get infinity square minus 5 into x ஓட பிளேஸ்ல infinity substitute பண்ணா we'll get 5 infinity plus 3. Next stepல further simplify பண்ணோம்னா we'll get infinity divided by infinity. Infinity divided by infinity is in indeterminate form. So we have to apply L'Hôpital Rule. According to L'Hôpital Rule, we have to differentiate numerator and denominator of the given function. Differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we'll get limit x tends to infinity 2x square differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we'll get 4x. 3 differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we'll get 0. x square differentiate பண்ணா we'll get 2x. 5x differentiate பண்ணா we'll get 5. 3 differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we'll get 0. Next stepல further simplify பண்ணோம்னா we'll get limit x tends to infinity 4x divided by 2x minus 5. இப்போ நம்ம லிமிட்டை substitute பண்ண போறோம். லிமிட் அப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா we'll get 4 into x ஓட பிளேஸ்ல infinity substitute பண்ணனும். We'll get 4 infinity divided by 2 into x ஓட பிளேஸ்ல infinity substitute பண்ணனும். We'll get 2 into infinity minus 5. Stepல further simplify பண்ணோம்னா we'll get infinity divided by infinity. Infinity divided by infinity is in indeterminate form. So we have to apply L'Hôpital Rule again. For that we have to take limit x tends to infinity 4x divided by 2x minus 5. Then we have to differentiate numerator and denominator. Differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we'll get limit x tends to infinity 4x differentiate பண்ணா we'll get 4. 2x differentiate பண்ணா we'll get 2. Next stepல limit apply பண்ண போறோம். ஆனா இங்க limit apply பண்றதுக்கு x termே இல்ல. So we'll get 4 divided by 2. 4 and 2 cancel பண்ணோம்னா we'll get 2. 2 is not in indeterminate form. Therefore, limit x tends to infinity 2x square minus 3 divided by x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 2. That's all we have completed this problem. Further doubts இருந்தா description boxல WhatsApp link கொடுத்திருக்கோம். Contact பண்ணுங்க. We'll support you. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.